Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Indian International Master usagar sya utan kajingnet bakajala Meghalaya Shisien tasmi kala ban pelmi ki Grand Master kajing Ïalehkai chess hapo shipos nem ki bansawan namar bagi Khynnah akan ngajala kitan ya kasam kapong banyalehkai kumbalong nem ki wepat para beriau hakal lengkari jong kapertai usagar sya baga kunhun jong u naka chess base India kilawan kenang sya kanong ba Shillong pan ai Hikai hadu saus ni kan thi ki Khynnah ba per Haka Ïalehkai chess kabla stanga duk arf khandai trigrisau araja opsau pat kabla perkotno akashtarik mewing araja opsau yakani gajing ajing Hikai pla pelong daka Meghalaya Chess Association lai trailang baka State Council of Science and Technology and Environment haka badan pala chispa san pawngot kinang isimpenta kuntok rung isispa nun ikuj na kaleng gajala Meghalaya
mainly aimed to sort of train the trainers, which are part of the Queen's Gambit program for chess in schools that is happening in Meghalaya. And our aim was, that is me, Amruta, Priyanka, our aim was to sort of empower the trainers with training techniques that can help them to teach youngsters on a large scale. So the first 1.5 days were spent in training the trainers and to understand what are the challenges that they are facing while they train. I must say that this program is extremely ambitious and one of its kind, very difficult to launch such a program on a large scale, and seeing that such a program is very difficult to execute. I think it is amazing how these trainers have come together from all the different parts of Meghalaya, and there are different languages that are being spoken here, all of them having different levels. And so when we started to work with them, we realized that what are the things that they needed to train better. And I think we were able to do that. And then in the next 2 days, that was yesterday on 31st of October and 1st of November today, the school students came in here from different parts of the state, and also it was opened up for anyone who wanted to come for the second half of the day. And they also tried their hand at solving the sheets, and once they solved them, the trainers who were trained corrected them. So whatever they learned in 1.5 days, they tried to also implement it with the students. And the idea is that now they can go back and implement these learning methods back in their schools as well. So I consider this to be a very successful program, at least from our end. I can see that the trainers are very motivated, very hardworking. In fact, we saw them working for more than 8 to 9 hours every day with full concentration and focus. So my huge congratulations to all the involved people here, Gunanka ji, Marjorie ji, Jo Pajak ji, for making this possible. It's amazing what has happened here in Meghalaya.
Not mainly to promote chess, but to use chess as a tool to improve the cognitive ability of our students. As you know, science and maths in Meghalaya is quite challenging for our students. The results are not so promising, and we are not trying to do anything to interfere with what the main departments are doing. We realize chess can become a very good tool to overall improve the cognitive ability, most importantly for the problem solving. See, chess comes up with so many puzzles, the decision making ability, and most importantly, we during this process we also got to know USSR, the previous Soviet Union, had successfully implemented, and that's why they are the leaders in chess. Even Uzbekistan in recent years have also started the same program successfully. So with that intention we started. Thanks to our Meghalaya Chess Association, they very actively participating in this. All their members are part of this.
Kani kadai ka bakong san ba jing siang ni sem jing te sem jing ba kan amari don bok mengiyo ikini ki international master jing xiao tu bom judan por sa lo sia teng isia per siang kat bala ning kong imut bon penlong sawai tambah ta don jing wet ni hap sange te ki don ki bayarap ini kum gunan ka sa sop ni tambe education te daka jing yarap nyong ki nilaban penlong kan ni te hang ne rung an ong pi kini bai don ne ki bai Ïalehkai am mdai tangat ne ndai bangi khot lut ar laisha ikini tamangi mla shu kan bam khot iki the next time in say apa ikiru tamba hagane bon bangi yele ban yo na nong ndo kumna Amlarem ki wan nagaro ki na ki nong ndong jong ka garo ki poi Ini persangkat bala nakaliang jongi. Kani kadai tang nakamenta saus ni. Te kani kadai makiwan kini ki ayo ki coach suai ki instructor bat kita ban ajing Hikai ki Khynnah sanong kondong. Te nakatu pan kini ki bala yo arsni ya to training ki ale mensuaru ki la dehi babin nambadang pen ayu shu te la long basut nep shu yaki te hadin katu pan Mentah kini pan Hikai kini Khynnah te kini ki he ruki don lang kamu ki pai king kinang ne em ban Hikai to kumba ka pao man sia ong bon ki be biang hi hoi ta khendiak sai jing du na don hi tang ba kum ka ni kalat jing rang yo sen ban ni ko te ngan ong e kata doni we kin thai banal Amlarem dang nyos Snem had nangir ngilnga sin batai kat time danang parang ba sin batai ba 5 kilo ila semua tu kumno banyai kanu ka jaka ibu haka chess ka don kita ki notation ngathare ya safang kita ai income batai banyai secretary jongari don lang te ka jingyal inti niru ila bot den bahai kini ki jingyo nia persiang mencuan ila ju penlong grandmaster international grandmaster na brawis berthai kiwa bon kiri ki wan chen ka praisung ni ai bahe kalong nakaliang ka sarkar ka khamduna ka jingerap tamba kum hak to ka por bagi don kata chief minister la yarap bahai ni konda sama ka jinglu jing sep la yarap ha kan
ane tola bon trik school ngam wanong ka jingkhen batikana the ngamla Lamar bon sen kiwegi district sengem da tepa rai we argon tat ngai ya lai photoli school ikandon ba sementara kidon kidon ke ba thamwan ling ba school kewan hiru kidon ki Khynnah tangi kham yo jingkhen ta kidon ki school ke ba maximum number ke pha kom mangi tip ana gorkha holy cross ki ba khambon kewan palat expo na kawing school kementangi don kibangi murban ai training nama kide kibangi lajib kibangi ibet bakan training ki don life argon ba register mentasngi kan poi jingsekat kum ka jingcek na kalas lamar ngibu artly session kawai ka session kamu women step ka registration kalong restricted te kawan ars ba khat prangon but ka second session ka open to all ka mano kila banwan tingem don jingkhan cho nga try total hiken poi sangan ra ar reu phau ar nyau phau a district baro ko ka district ki but namar jing sang ngi don khandai tali ki district ki ba affiliate but ka Meghalaya Chess Association แต่คิดอนกี่บอมปัดอัฟเลียตรู้กี่ดิสตริกกี่วันเนี่ยเรียอัฟเลียตบันนี้อะไรกี่ดอนนะพออีสเทิร์นเวสต์รู้กี่วัน